Hello, dear students. Let's begin today with a thought. Our entire body is made of billions of tiny cells. Each of these cells follows strict rules: when to grow, when to divide, and when to stop. But what if one cell decided to disobey the rules, multiplying endlessly without control? That's the beginning of what we call cancer. Cancer is one of the most dreaded diseases in humans, responsible for millions of deaths worldwide. Normally, cells show something called contact inhibition, meaning they stop dividing when they touch other cells. But in cancer, this control breaks down and cells divide uncontrollably, forming a mass called a tumor. Some tumors remain harmless, but others can spread aggressively, and that's where the real danger lies. There are two main types of tumors: benign and malignant. Benign tumors stay confined to their place of origin. They grow slowly and usually cause little damage. But malignant tumors are the real threat. They grow rapidly, invade neighboring tissues, and even steal nutrients from normal cells. The most dangerous feature of malignant tumors is metastasis, where cancer cells break away, travel through blood or lymph, and establish new tumors in distant organs. For example, a tumor in the lungs can spread to bones or even the brain. This spreading ability makes malignant cancers very difficult to control. So, what triggers normal cells to become cancerous? The agents responsible are called carcinogens. Physical agents like X-rays, gamma rays, or ultraviolet light can damage DNA and cause mutations. Chemical carcinogens are found in tobacco smoke, which is strongly linked to lung cancer. Biological agents also play a role. Some oncogenic viruses carry special genes called oncogenes or activate proto-oncogenes, pushing cells into uncontrolled growth. In short, cancer begins when DNA damage or viral interference disrupts the cell's internal control system, unleashing unregulated cell division. Detecting cancer early is critical for saving lives. One common method is biopsy, where doctors take a small tissue sample and examine it under a microscope for abnormal cells. Modern imaging techniques like X-rays, CT scans, and MRI allow us to detect tumors hidden deep inside the body. Molecular biology has gone even further, identifying genes that make a person more susceptible to certain cancers. For instance, individuals with inherited cancer-prone genes can be advised to avoid exposure to specific carcinogens, like tobacco smoke, to reduce their risk. How do we treat cancer? Medicine uses a combination of strategies: surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and immunotherapy. Surgery physically removes the tumor. Radiation therapy uses high-energy rays to kill cancer cells while trying to spare healthy ones. Chemotherapy employs drugs that destroy rapidly dividing cells, though side effects like hair loss and anemia are common. Immunotherapy boosts the patient's immune system. Substances like alpha interferons activate immune cells to better recognize and destroy tumor cells. Each method has its challenges, but together they offer hope for managing and controlling cancer. So, let's recap. Cancer is a disease of uncontrolled cell division. While benign tumors stay localized, malignant tumors spread aggressively through metastasis. Carcinogens, from radiation, chemicals, or oncogenic viruses, can trigger this transformation. Early detection methods like biopsy and imaging improve chances of survival, while treatments include surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, and immunotherapy. Isn't it fascinating how a single cell going rogue can lead to such a devastating disease? And equally inspiring how modern science fights back with powerful tools to save lives. I hope this session has helped you understand why cancer is feared, but also how biology and medicine are giving us the knowledge to fight it. Remember, avoiding carcinogens, especially tobacco, is one of the best ways to prevent cancer. Until next time, keep appreciating the delicate balance that keeps your cells healthy and your body functioning. Biology truly is the science of life.